In this video, we listed the 6 best garage essentials for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Martins Industries Tire Inflation Safety Cage. The Martins Industries Mic 6 HD Tire Inflation Safety Cage is a heavy-duty safety solution designed to protect workers during the inflation of large tires, commonly used in commercial vehicles and industrial equipment. This model, referred to as a 6-bar cage, provides enhanced security by confining the tire within a reinforced steel structure, mitigating the risk of injury in case of a tire burst. Its robust design ensures safety for inflating tires up to a specified pressure limit, suitable for various tire types, including heavy-duty truck and off-road tires. In the context of the user's interest in specialized tools and industrial equipment like cordless chainsaws and high-strength vehicle recovery accessories, the Mic 6 HD Tire Inflation Safety Cage complements the focus on professional-grade, safety-oriented equipment. Its utility in high-risk environments aligns with the user's pattern of seeking durable and reliable tools for heavy-duty applications. The cage's 6-bar construction increases protection, especially in high-pressure inflation scenarios, making it an essential tool for garages, tire shops, and industrial settings. This fits within the user's preference for specialized tools that prioritize safety and efficiency. Product 2. Product name: VEVOR Car Lift. The VEVOR Car Lift is a highly efficient, heavy-duty car lift designed for home garages and auto shops, offering a 5,000 pounds capacity to support a range of vehicles, from sedans to light trucks. This portable car lift stands out with its extended length plates that provide additional stability and a maximum lifting height of 25.6 inches, allowing for easy access to a vehicle's undercarriage for maintenance and repairs. Constructed from heavy-duty carbon steel, the VEVOR lift ensures durability and long-term use in demanding environments. The lift is powered by a 120V power unit, making it suitable for regular home power outlets, eliminating the need for industrial-grade electricity. Its portability is a major advantage for users who may need to store the unit when not in use or move it between different locations in the garage or shop. Overall, the VEVOR Car Lift is designed for convenience, combining strength, portability, and ease of use, ideal for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. Key features include: Product 3. Product name: Modern Hexagon Garage Light. The Modern Hexagon Garage Light is a high-performance lighting solution designed for a variety of large indoor spaces such as garages, basements, warehouses, auto beauty shops, and car detailing shops. Featuring a powerful 720W output and delivering an impressive 86,400 lumens, this hexagon-shaped LED light provides exceptional brightness for optimal visibility. The light operates at 6500K, which offers a cool, daylight-like color temperature ideal for detailed work environments where clarity and precision are crucial. The design includes a rectangle frame structure that enhances light distribution, ensuring even coverage throughout the space. Its energy efficiency makes it suitable for extensive use in professional settings, while the modern hexagonal layout adds an aesthetic appeal, fitting well in contemporary environments. This lighting solution is particularly useful for spaces that require high brightness for tasks like auto detailing, where illuminating fine details is essential. It is versatile enough for both commercial and residential uses, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their lighting for better productivity and comfort. Product 4. Product name: VTOP Automotive Creeper. The VTOP Automotive Creeper is a robust tool designed for professional and DIY automotive enthusiasts. This engine creeper is engineered to facilitate auto repair and maintenance tasks by allowing users to comfortably access hard-to-reach areas under the vehicle. It features an adjustable height range from 45.7 inch to 66.3, enabling mechanics to adapt it to various working conditions. With a 400 pounds weight capacity, this creeper is built for durability and heavy-duty tasks. The creeper is equipped with 4 swivel caster wheels, which provides smooth maneuverability across shop floors, making it easy to reposition during use. Its foldable design allows for compact storage when not in use, making it convenient for garages or professional auto shops with limited space. The VEVOR Automotive Creeper is ideal for those seeking a versatile, sturdy, and practical solution for engine repairs and other automotive maintenance tasks. Product 5. Product name Bike Essential Garage Rack. The StoryOrBoard 5 Bike Essential Garage Rack is a versatile and practical solution for organizing bicycles and other items in your garage. This wall-mounted storage system is designed to hold up to 5 bikes, making it ideal for families or cycling enthusiasts who need efficient space management. It features an adjustable hanger system that allows users to customize the positioning of the bike hooks to fit various bike sizes and types, from road bikes to mountain bikes. In addition to bike storage, this garage rack includes a shelf for storing helmets, cycling gear, and other accessories, maximizing storage capacity while keeping essential items accessible. The system is made from durable materials, ensuring that it can support the weight of multiple bikes securely while remaining a long-lasting solution for garage organization. The wall-mounted design also frees up valuable floor space, contributing to a cleaner and more organized garage environment. This rack system is perfect for individuals looking for a comprehensive storage solution to keep their bikes and related gear organized and out of the way. Product 6. Product name Autocar Truck Service Ramps. Autocar truck service ramps, such as the 2-pack Autocar truck service ramps, 5-ton low-profile hydraulic car ramps, are essential tools for vehicle maintenance. These ramps are designed to elevate cars, trucks, and other vehicles, making it easier to access the undercarriage for repairs and maintenance tasks such as oil changes, exhaust work, or tire replacement. Key features of these service ramps include 5-ton capacity. With a load-bearing capacity of up to 5 tons, these ramps are suitable for a wide range of vehicles, from standard cars to larger trucks. Low-profile design. The low-profile feature is particularly useful for vehicles with reduced ground clearance, ensuring that even sports cars or lowered vehicles can easily ascend the ramp. Hydraulic lift. The hydraulic car ramps allow for smooth lifting and added convenience, giving the user precise control when raising the vehicle.